Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to control Samsung Smart TV without remote. Let's go. Open the App Store or Play Store. Find any Samsung virtual remote. Install. Open virtual remote. Your TV and phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Connect device. Select your Samsung TV. Let's check it out. That's it. Now you know how to control Samsung Smart TV without remote. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.